What's up, guys? SWIRF TV here. I'm going to be reviewing RTX voice for OBS use. This is off. So this will be just what I'm producing currently with my voice meter solution. And this is with the noise suppression all the way up. So this would be my voice meter solution in addition to RTX voice in the chain. So you can't hear it. It's amazing. Like, you can see it picking up in the input, but it's not going in the output. So we can watch that here. So there we go. This is the input from my raw microphone. It's got a 4.3 gate, little change to EQ, and it's coming out bus 1, right? Which is voice meter output. What is coming into RTX voice, and we're ignoring the output. I'm not doing anything with that. So that's the output going into OBS from RTX voice. And as you can see, I am clapping as loud as I possibly can. It's eliminating all of it. It's amazing. I can't believe it. Like, I can bang on this cup. It's absolutely mind-boggling that it works like this. It's absolutely amazing. Like, my mind has been blown. So I'm glad I have an NVIDIA card in my stream PC, and I'm not upset that my gaming PC is an AMD card. So it worked out perfectly for me. So I think it sounds really good. It's probably 75%. So you can still hear a little clapping. So, I mean, if you're in a super noisy environment, sure, crank it up. You know, if you got your kids screaming in the background, you know, neighbors are doing construction. So I don't know. I think that's amazing. It's great that it runs on GTX cards. I'm going to keep this version. I'm going to compress all the setup files with the permissions and the change I did so that you can just click in the link, download it, install it. It'll work for the 1050 and up, I would believe. So yeah, so I'm running this on a GTX 1050. I'll show you in the device manager. It's the only video card I have installed. Play adapters, GTX 1050. RTX voice on. RTX voice off. So absolutely amazing. Great job, NVIDIA. I love it. So I'm at this bar and it's super noisy, as simulated by the sounds I'm playing on my speakers. So you can see, this is the normal input level of my microphone, which is picking up all the bar noise. And this will be the RTX voice output going to OBS. So let's turn on noise compression. And as you can see, it's eliminating most of the noise. And it's very loud. So that's pretty impressive. I usually throw a noise gate on anyway. So let's put the noise gate on 4.3, 4.2. So that's off. That's almost 50%. It's about 50%. That'll be about 75%. And that is full RTX voice noise removal on a GTX 1050. Once again, I'm SWIRF TV. Thank you for watching live from the noisy bar in my office. So I will include the compressed setup folder that's been modified in the description. So if you want to check it out for yourself, just download that below. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a good one.